It's been a really positive experience for me, seeing people come into the service with a real sense of hopelessness and uncertainty, and seeing them progress during the programme at the end, being, you know, gamble free and putting the tools that we teach them into practice, and being able to see that change in their lives and progress, and not just stopping gambling, but, you know, their overall mental and physical well-being, seeing that improvement. I think when I'm speaking to people, I can kind of see where they're at, and I kind of, you know, can remember back to where I was with it. And I think for me, it's just giving them that sense of, you know, that encouragement, and, you know, them knowing that people understand where they're at. I think part of the recovery process is not feeling alone anymore. It's part of feeling understood. And I think that's one of the really powerful things that we do, is that they can kind of come in, they can talk about their experience and know that we're listening and we're helping them.